Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about the energy and the power signal. So let us start with the energy signal. Now here we will simply compare the energy signal and the power signal. So the signal is called as an energy signal if its energy is non-zero and finite. That means if the value of the energy of that signal is between or it is more than 0, and if it is less than infinity or having some finite value, then in that case it is an energy signal. Now remember, one more important thing is that the most of the non-periodic signals are energy signals. We have already seen what is a periodic and non-periodic signals. So whenever the signal is non-periodic, that means you have to calculate its energy first. Now the power of this energy signal is always equal to 0. So whenever you want to check whether that signal is a energy or power, then you have to calculate the energy and power both. And if energy is non-zero and its power is 0, then in that case the signal is called as an energy signal. Now we'll see the formulas for calculating the energy for CT as well as for DT. Now first for CT, the formula is E is equal to integration minus infinity to infinity mod of xt square dt. And for dt, E is equal to, now for instead of integration we'll use a summation. So n is minus infinity to infinity mod of x of n square. So these are the formulas. And if we want to discuss about the example of energy, then any non-periodic signal is nothing but it is an energy signal. So non-periodic signal is an exponential signal or any rectangular signal. So that is an example of an energy signal. So these are some important points and the formulas for calculation of energy. Now we'll go for the power signal. Now any signal is said to be power signal if its power is non-zero and finite. So if the value of power is a finite value, then in that case it is a power signal. Then most of the periodic signals are power signals. So again you just observe the signal, and if you see and find that the signal is a periodic, then in that case that signal is a power signal and you calculate the power of that signal directly. Now the energy of the power signal is always equal to infinity. Now remember that for energy signal the power is 0, but for power signal the energy is infinite. Now we'll see the formulas for calculating power for CT as well as for DT. Now again for CT, the formula for power is P is equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 upon t integration minus t by 2 to t by 2 x square t dt. And for dt, the formula is limit p is equal to limit. Now instead of capital T you replace it by capital N tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus 1. Now instead of integration there is a summation, n is equal to minus n to n mod of x of n square. So, and if you want the example, then in that case the example of a power signal is any sine, cosine. All these are the examples of the power signal because they are periodic signals. So this is what is the basic information and the formulas for calculation of energy as well as power. Now in my next video I will cover the examples on energy and power. So keep watching my videos, and if you like the video please share it with your friends.